Okay, binoculars is the next one, or they've called them field glasses. So this is number 20 of 25. So first part that we're going to do is we're going to set up the sketch that's down the bottom, do all the extrusions that are there, and then we're going to mirror that around a plane to make the second half of that. So let's go create sketch, click on the front plane, choose the line tool, and just zoom out a little bit, bring that up. So we're going to go into the space that's there. We can draw a line out to the side there. If you press X on your keyboard, that'll toggle the construction line. So we want another line that's running down there. And if you want to change a line from being a modeling line to a construction line, if you highlight it first and then press X, you can change it across, or you can choose the arrow that's there. Okay, sketch dimension, choose the angle between the two lines. And as in the drawing, we want this angle to be 60. Enter. And so they're the construction lines that we're going to be working with now. So the rest of it is we are drawing on there some circles and slots and things like that to get all the rest of that to work. Okay, so the first one that we are going to do is we've got a circle. It's on that center point. You can see that my construction line is still selected on. So let's get out of this for a sec and turn that off. Okay, go back in there again. We want a circle with a diameter of 10. And might zoom in a little bit. Okay, the next one that we've got is we have a slot. We're going center to center. So center there, the other center point, make sure it's on that line. Don't worry about the length at the moment, we'll fix that in a sec, but do worry about this part here. So you can see that we've got a radius of 9, which would make a diameter of 18. So let's type in 18, press enter. So that's the one that we actually wanted. Now, if you look at our drawing from the center of that to the center of from center to center, we've got 14. So we're going from center to center. Now make sure that your 14 is going in the right direction as the drawing. So it's not like that, it's not like that. It is actually like that. So you go like that. Make sure that is 14. All right, from there, you need to draw another circle with a diameter of 38 using the same center point. So this is 38. Then we're going to draw another circle with a diameter of 50. Like that. Now we've got another measurement too, so we're going to put a dimension here, which is that it's 45 between that center to that center. Bring that up, 45. Okay, that's looking good. Now we've just got 2 arcs to go in there, so go create, go arc, 3-point arc, and just put that arc on the 2 circles like that. And now we can dimension this arc. We want that to be a radius of 76, like that, and then tangent that to those 2 circles. So tangent it to that one and tangent it to that one. Now let's just try going that the other way around. Let's go tangent to that and then tangent to that. That's better. Now you get that nice sweeping curve. We'll go back into the arc tool again and we do another one that's going from there to there, something like that. And again, get your dimension tool, dimension the arc, which should be 38. And again, grab your tangent tool and tangent that to, before we do that, maybe if we grab the center point and bring it, okay. So what's happened is the point, those there have snapped to the shape. So it's not actually letting us do this. All right, let's go back before we've done the, that's better. Let's go tangent now whilst before we put the measurement on there. Okay, now let's edit that radius, and that radius should be 38. So that way it forces that out. So we've now got tangents there, tangents there. Really important that we do all that. Okay, excellent. That's all we've got to do for everything that's there. So now we go finish sketch. Put it up on the angle so we can have a bit of a look at what we're doing here. I think I like this view better. Okay, so now we're just going to work that through on the from this base sketch plane above it. So we've got that base sketch plane and the arrow there. That is that center line that we've got. We've drawn this sketch on that base plane, and then we're working everything from that. So let's start here at the big one. This is extruding at 76, so minus 76 to bring it, change the direction. It's also got a taper angle on it, and the taper angle is 6 degrees. So do that, make sure you put that in there, go OK. Now, as soon as you do that, sketch disappears, so turn that back on again. The next part that we've got is we're going to do this shape in here. Well, actually, we can do this one here. Let's do that while we've got that. So let's go extrude again, click on that circle and that circle, so you get the full thing. This is all going back 50 millimeters from that plane. So make sure that that's going back 50. Okay. Excellent, that's looking good. Okay, now we're going to do an extrusion, and we need to pick this shape and this shape, that shape, and the circle. So basically everything that's sort of in that shape. This is going to be a symmetrical one, the whole width, and it is 20 millimeters. Don't do it as a cut, make sure you do it as a join. Go OK. All right, we're looking good. Okay, then the little bit up here in the middle, this thing here, that has to come forward from that plane 25. So if we zoom in a bit, we're going to go extrude. We need to select this and this, and they are coming forward 25. So flip the direction around. So let's put a minus in there to change the direction. Again, it's a join, not a cut. So that should come through to the front like that. Okay, that's looking good. All right, go OK. Then we've got the bit that's running down the center out to the back. So that's this sketch out the back. So we're going to go extrude again. This profile here, we want that to go from the center back. So it was 25 there. That's actually going 25 in reverse, like that. Excellent. Make sure you join that. All right, now we've got the circle in there. This circle needs to be 57. It is also symmetrical, so it's that. The distance is 57. And go join. All right, now we've got two circles on the front, so now we're going to go sketch on this front one here. C for circle. This circle is 60. Go finish sketch. Extrude that circle as a cut, and we're going 6 millimeters in. So go cut, and might have to put the minus there in front of that. Okay, and spin it around to look at the back of it, and sketch on the back one here. Again, another circle. This one we've got a diameter of 32. Go finish sketch. Again, we're going to cut that. So this is also 6. So minus 6. So cut, go OK. Turn off that original sketch. All right, so we've got our binoculars all looking nice and neat. That is everything that's there. Okay, once we've done all that, we can go to create and mirror. We want to select bodies. We've only got the one body, so select the body. The mirror plane becomes that plane that's running down the center. Go OK, and there is our pair of binoculars, or field glasses as they've called them in this example. And you can save that. So don't forget to go save. I'll call them the same as here. Field glass fun, and make sure that you save that in the right space. And save. And that's it. Now you could go into, like, do a render of it. So if you go into here, you'll be changing from the design tab, you go down and pick up the render tab, and you could change the colors of it and things like that, but similar to what we've done, and you can make it gray and look like what we've done there. You can render these different those things there as different colors and things like that, but yeah, go for it. So that there is the field glass one.